Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial today, we are going to be talking about Stepn NFTs, what you should know about this NFT, what you should know about the project housing these NFTs, and where you can also buy these NFTs. It's been a long time on this channel because I went on a 3 weeks break, even though I still had to keep you guys, my lovely subscribers, active. But then I'm back again with fresh videos from the album, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel for more educative and enlightening videos. So if you are new to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button. I share lots of educative videos about NFTs, gaming, crypto arbitrage, how to get cryptocurrency jobs, and lots more. Just hit the subscribe button and let's get going. You can as well get this channel to over 2k subscribers before the month runs out, right? Yeah, so that is it. Now you might be wondering, what is Stepn NFTs? What is Stepn? In fact, Stepn is a web3 lifestyle app with social fi and gamify elements. Users equipped with NFT sneakers, you can see it here, walk, jog, or run outdoors to earn GST, which can be used to level up and mint new sneakers. So you can see when you have these NFT sneakers, you can use it to run, jog, and walk outdoors, to also use it to earn GST, which can be in turn used to mint sneakers that you can sell as NFTs on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Binance, etc. So you can see players can choose to lease or sell their sneakers on the in-app marketplace. Users' GST earnings are stored in the in-app wallet, which has a built-in swap function, which means that you can swap your GST for anything at all that is available on the in-app that you are interested in. So you can see they aim to be the leading Web3 health and fitness app. You know, crypto is beyond just buying a token and storing it in your wallet. A lot of tokens out there are aiming to become one or two things in the real life world, right? Yeah, so you might be imagining, how do these people profit from doing all these things? So they take small taxes from the in-app activities, just like when you trade on exchanges like Binance and other exchanges. Some of these trading fees that they take are the things they use in managing their apps, right? Now in this particular case, they take small taxes from in-app activities such as NFT trading, shoe minting, and shoe rental. And also all the assets in the Stepn app are owned by individual users, and majority of earnings in the app are made by users, so they just get some percentage from the activities that you perform on the app. And one good thing is that everyone can use it. They have zero entry barrier and you can learn and also earn. So non-crypto natives can earn before they learn how to use a decentralized wallet. This will also be their first step in the Web3 world. A lot of things to know about this particular Stepn. Our mission is to inspire millions to a healthier lifestyle, connect them to Web3, and combat climate change. So these people don't just want to make money, they also want to make the world a better place by supporting and also combating climate change. You can go ahead to read more about the GSM and also the green metaverse token called GMT, which is the brain behind this particular Stepn NFTs and all of that. Read through their white paper, their light paper rather, to know more about what they have to offer. If you're interested in their token distribution and you want to invest in this token, you can go ahead to do more research about them. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm just showing you, I'm just teaching you the things I know and I feel can help you in making better decisions in purchasing these NFTs. So you can see the coin housing the Stepn NFTs, which is Stepn GMT, is currently at 2.18 USDT, right? And you can see that the market, in fact I should say that the whole crypto market is down right now, but then you can see that they have a lot of people on their whitelist, and the coin has good supply and enough trading volume for investors to actually come in, right? So you can read more about them here on CoinMarketCap, or download their white paper to read more about what they have to offer. So back to this place, Stepn NFTs will be listing on Binance in the next 2 days to come. You can see it here, in the next 2 days and 15 hours to come. So if you are a Binance user, a verified Binance user, and you want to be part of this amazing stuff coming to their marketplace, you can see they have beautiful sneakers that they intend to sell on that day, on their listing day on Binance, and they just have only 1,000 NFTs. You can see total NFTs issued just 1,000, and the unique sale price of this NFTs is 0.5 BNB, right? You can, as long as you have a verified Binance account, you can participate in this, and you also have the number of BNB needed to do this purchase. And also Binance also have a tutorial for you here showing you how you can participate in these NFT sales. You just have to be logged in and make sure that you have the enough BNB needed to do this NFT purchase, and the rest of it will be history, as long as you are on time on this very day to make this purchase. And you know, a lot of people are longing for this particular NFT being live on Binance. So if you must be among the first 1,000, and mind you, one person can even buy more than 200 depending, so you just have to be on time that day if you really want to purchase these NFTs. And trust me, these NFTs have a very high potential of increasing in price once the sale is over. So just get yourself ready if you are interested in purchasing this Stepn NFTs. Is a very wonderful NFT to have in your NFT collection. So I believe I've done justice to what Stepn NFT is, and also where you can purchase it from, right? See you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do also hit the subscribe button, and also share this video so that others who may be interested in these NFTs can also purchase, right? Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.